Hi and welcome back. This is Amy from FastBlast, and today we're going to cover how to plan out your FastBlast days and what you'll consume the other days of the week. Make sure to stick around until the end, as we do have a free gift for you that you don't want to miss. So let's start with picking out your FastBlast days. Now you can do these consecutively or you can space them out. Just so you know, these days can change from week to week. Plan your FastBlast days on days where you'll be active and don't have any social functions planned that include meals. Everyone is different, so just make sure to pick your 2 days based on your schedule. Enter your 2 FastBlast days in your online calendar, weekly planner, or however you keep yourself organized. Go ahead and pause the video to schedule your FastBlast days right now. In terms of what to eat the rest of the week, you simply want to eat sensibly. Specifically, here's what you should try to avoid: heavily processed and refined foods containing ingredients like white flour and white sugar, such as most breads, candies, and pastries. Sodas, coffee creamers that contain a lot of sugar and preservatives, excessive salt, and multiple alcoholic drinks. The good news is that you can have a cheat meal or even a cheat day periodically to shock your system and prevent your metabolism from getting completely adjusted to your nutritional intake. As for the other 4 days of the week, you might feel that your whole diet is out of whack and that you need help sticking to a routine. This is all a trade-off between money, time, and variety, and I do have 3 suggestions for you. First, if you'd rather spend more money to get more variety and save some time, then use a healthy home meal subscription service like purplecarrot.com, sunbasket.com, or hellofresh.com. These services can be expensive, but you're paying for variety and the convenience of having the exact ingredients mailed to your home to cook quickly and easily. Second, if you want to spend less, don't care as much about variety, and don't mind taking 2 to 6 hours per week to shop at your local grocery store, cook and clean up, then you can meal prep. There are hundreds of great programs out there, and we've listed some of our favorites in the FAQs below. Finally, if you value variety, don't mind spending a bit more money and a fair amount of time preparing each meal, then you can make all of your healthy meals at home. Want the perfect solution to do that? Go to the link below. And we've got a free book just for you that will give you ideas for snacks, smoothies, juices, soups, and much more. Go snag that free recipe book now and look for our email tomorrow, where we'll reveal the best method to help skyrocket your results. See you then.